Before we jump right into it, I ask that you consider subscribing. It seems that 99.5% of all my viewers aren't subscribed. If you like the content and want to see more car videos, subscribe and hit the little bell icon. I don't do boring vlog style videos that last over 10 minutes just for ad revenue. I get right into it and make videos in hopes that you learn something new. So consider subscribing. It's free. Yo, hey guys, it's me again, and today I'm going to be installing some brand new caliper covers from AOOA Racing. Now, they were kind enough to go ahead and send these out to me to install on my Mustang. But as you may all know, my Mustang is at the body shop awaiting a blind spot sensor on back order, so the purple caliper covers I got were just sitting here. Fortunately, my sister just got a 2015 Dodge Challenger RT Plus in a color called Sublime, so AOOA Racing went ahead and sent me out some lime green caliper covers for that car. So special thanks to AOOA Racing for making this video possible. When I get my Mustang back, you best believe I'm going to put the purple caliper covers on, so stay tuned for that. Anyway, who are AOOA Racing? Well, they are a fairly new company that specializes in caliper covers for a wide range of makes and models. And not only do they offer like 15 different colors on their caliper covers, but they also make them out of quality materials that look and feel great. You can go ahead and check them out. You can go ahead and check out the whole manufacturing process on their YouTube channel and check out their products on their website. And while you're there, go ahead and use code GozBrian to save yourself $20 off your order. And if you're looking for plain ones without the brand decal on them, you can go ahead and tell them in the order to get them blank, or you could get them on Amazon in a select few colors that are already blank. I know if you have a car with Brembos or something like that, you want to show off the Brembo logo, so with these blank ones, you can go ahead and do that by adding decals. So here are how the caliper covers look. The color on these look amazing, and you can see the attention to detail they gave their products with the rubber cap and metal tube on the bottom. They each come with a little string baggie and come with the necessary tools to install them. You also get a rather large instruction booklet with very detailed pictures on them, but really once you see how it goes together once, you really don't need any instructions because it's that easy. As far as installation goes, it's pretty straightforward and almost identical for every car. First, you disassemble the top bracket and put the solo piece on the top of the brake caliper. Then you align the bottom part of the caliper cover bracket on the bottom side of the caliper and slip it in. Here on my sister's Challenger, the brakes are rather old and rusty, so it might help to clean them first with some brake cleaner. Once the top part goes in, it should align fairly close to the top bracket piece you already put in. All that is left to attach the little bolt and tighten the nut down. Now, if your caliper cover does not align all that well on the top, that means the bottom needs some finessing to sit properly in place. I had this trouble with the first caliper cover, but whacking it in place with a rubber mallet seemed to fix it and align it better. It also helps to use some pliers to squeeze together the top enough just so you can fit the little bolt in place and tighten it with the nut. The back ones are even easier to put on than the front, but only because they are smaller. The installation is pretty identical to the front, so you shouldn't have much trouble. But overall, the installation was very easy and took like 5 minutes per wheel to put on. It took longer to clean the brakes first and wipe them down than it took to install the caliper covers. Put your wheels back on and torque them down to spec and you're done. Now tell me these things don't look great. The color is literally almost identical to the OEM Dodge Sublime color, so these match perfectly. And then with the black wheels, these pop real nice. So are these worth it? Well, I have done many things to my calipers on other cars, including painting them red with a spray can and even plastic dipping them and adding Brembo decals. But to be honest, these caliper covers from AOOA Racing look the best. Not only are they much easier to put on instead of spray painting your calipers, but they look even better thanks to the realistic details on these covers. You know, maybe you have fairly small stock calipers on your car and you just want them to look nicer. These caliper covers will make them look bigger and more expensive than what they really are. I would put caliper covers on all my cars, especially with spacers. Because with spacers, the wheels stick out more, which makes the caliper farther away from the wheel so they don't show as much. With these, they help to cover the gap and draw attention back to the caliper. I can't wait to put the purple ones on the Mustang once I get it back from the body shop. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. And if you're thinking of buying these, make sure to use code GozBrian to save $20 off your order. I guess that's about it for this video. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. See you guys later. Peace.